Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to make custom R. Let's start. First, I write R and increase its PT. Okay, then create outlines. Shift plus Control plus 0. Okay, if you don't create outlines, uh, then your logo must not be good looking. You are not doing right. Okay, first to align R. This this like and this sorry and I draw rectangle and direct selection, right click and drag it with mouse, this like yes, and again it's this like and this like sorry it's don't this don't do this. Okay, you can click with selection tool. Okay, and zoom in, control plus spacebar and right click this and this sorry and this and right click to place in this, yeah, right in this and in small inside is shift control plus right click this like it's very good and object path offset path 1 pt and okay and shift plus right click and this sorry this this was really good and it's ungroup and delete it and this area is deleted and control G control G and this digit size shift plus alt and right click this and align. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, okay? And subscribe for uh, do subscribe for more exciting videos. Stay tuned and we hope you like my videos. Thanks for watching.